Hi guys, welcome to this quick review about comparison between the 21 volts jar owl hammer drill and like a brand Porter cable one, which is more than double the price of the whole set of the jar owl drill and this 112 piece tool set. Of course, it's not a very fair comparison, but I'm not going to tell you what you have to buy. I just want to let you know what the difference is. We can definitely use that. The big problem here is that they are calling this a hammer drill, and it's definitely not a hammer drill. When we look at the chuck here, what we have, this is definitely working. You can definitely use it easily to secure a drill like this. That definitely works. The torque settings, everything works, and then we can go to the so-called hammer thing, but it's not a hammer. We can definitely hear that when we push at it in this setting here. There's definitely nothing to hear about the hammer. It's definitely a different thing here, and we see that already. We have not only this normal drill function, we have this hammer drill function, and this is how it sounds. When we go to the normal drill, it's similar to the jar owl. So this is what you have to know. This is hammer drill. This is not a hammer drill. I don't know why they are saying hammer drill. This is not a hammer drill. I'm not saying it's bad, but if you want to drill large holes into concrete, then you have to buy something like that. Of course it will work with the drill which is in the set. You will need maybe 20 minutes or so to make a large hole, then everything will overheat. Also this thing here, there are a couple of drills, like specific very sharp drills which you can use without a hammer, but it's still not same thing as with a hammer drill. What's also the thing is what you have to know. We have two gears here, you can really use them. There's not much difference, but there is a little bit of a difference. But the most important thing is what you have to know here. When we start pulling the trigger, this is not like a continuous increase of speed. It just has like a couple of different gears. No matter how fine I do that, they are just gears, and it's not like a continuous increase of speed like we have with an expensive drill. And we also have this instant stop here. You can hear when I stop. Okay, it stops instantly. This is actually not really included, but it works in a similar way. It stops pretty fast. Okay, it's not as fast as it stops here, but it still stops pretty fast, so I'm not complaining. Also, other things which we don't have here is a bit holder. Here we have a bit holder. Of course, we have much more power. Here we are talking usually about 2500 milliamps. Here we are talking about 1500 milliamps. We also have much more cooling here, larger openings, stronger fan, small openings, but there's still a fan here inside. One advantage which I see with the jar owl is the light. When we push and release, you can see the battery indicator, and the light, the LED helping light stays on for a little bit. That's definitely an advantage. Here, when we release the trigger, it goes off. Maybe it's, that's an old tool. Maybe we have same thing in the meantime. And this is not only like here on the desk. It's also the same difference in real life. I've been outside. I tried to mount an outside camera, surveillance camera, and I've tried to drill a hole into the concrete, and I've been trying, and there was no chance to succeed. Maybe with a very sophisticated drill you could mitigate this disadvantage of having no hammer, but I did the same thing with this one here. It took me about maybe 20 seconds or so, and the job was done. Definitely total different things. But again, I'm not saying to stay away from this drill. It is what it is. I would say you get a decent thing for a really decent price. If you want to have something advanced, you have to go with something like that. It's a big difference in price and what you get. So I just wanted to show you both of the sides to stay fair, and I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. So at the end of the day, you have to decide on your own, and I'll put down the link of both of these devices down into the description, so you can decide on your own which one you want to buy. I still hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write in the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.